Nama saya Nicole.
And nama saya Natalia.
Nama saya Ben.
My name's Lauren. I'm from Cardiff University where I study human geography, and I've just finished the Sustainable Development and Ecotourism course with Upskill.
Yeah, so I have been 2 times already in Bali and I really love the island. I didn't think that I'd come back again because it's been such a long time and it's so far away. But then when I saw that they were offering the course, which was exactly what I was looking for, about sustainability, and the whole program looked, for me it was like ideal, what I wanted to do. And when I saw it was in Bali, that was like, you know, a cherry on the top.
I was definitely very scared to come here. I was very nervous to come here.
I was a bit scared because I never really traveled alone, especially to a different continent.
But it was really good. It was a really good mix of like educational and practical.
So that's why I was very happy to come back here, because I know that Bali also has some issues with the environment, and the same in my country. And I thought it would be interesting to learn from a place where they have to fight these issues every day.
Student life in Udayana, I wouldn't say it's too different to back at home.
Every week we had 2 days at the university campus, and then Wednesday to Friday we normally had field trips or a combination.
Normally we would get picked up at around 8 by our studios, and then we would drive to university and arrive by around 9.
This campus is, well, the buildings are quite similar to the ones back at Cardiff. I think it's nice to be able to come in and get a very cheap coffee in the morning. I will say that I've been enjoying my iced lattes.
And then we would have some lectures, for example, some lectures about seagrass or mangroves.
Okay, the lectures obviously were in English, but yeah, we got all information and all the slides were in English, and we were able to get them afterwards as well. If we didn't understand something or we wanted to double check something, we got all the PDFs, so that was really good. And obviously the lectures all spoke English. So
my favorite lectures were definitely the Bahasa Indonesian classes.
A bit of Bahasa Indonesian, which was really fun.
The Indonesian class.
The Bahasa class, like everyone, because it was very interactive. Everyone was talking, and it was also very funny because everybody had to like really struggle a little bit, you know, to like get it out. But that was the good part, because that way you keep what you learned and the information. That was really nice.
Especially because I'm used to languages that have like tons of tenses, for example, like French, Italian or English. So it was really refreshing to see a different language that doesn't really uses like tenses.
And yeah, I've been speaking it. I've been going to local markets and Rapahaga, all of that. I don't know if my pronunciation was very good then.